JDCap26 here, just do tips and fears and hobbies, and we're going to make a model. And I'm going to make this model, and if I find anything within the model that's difficult, I will put it in this video. You'll see the model at the end of the video, and stay tuned for that. Thank you. It's pretty straightforward with the parts and everything, so I just want to enjoy putting this together. So if I find something that is difficult, I'll let you know. See the left Snoopy there on his foot, the left foot? You do not want to cut that off. Little tabs right here. They go for the ears. You want to put a little drop of glue in there on the inside of them so that tab stays on. It's like a button tab, and make sure they still move the ears. See the left Snoopy there on his foot, the left foot? You do not want to cut that off. Pants are in the blue bag with the big wave, the base. So don't, say, oh my God, where is this pants? They're in the blue bag. Stickers just peel off with your hands. You don't have to put them in water. Eyeglasses, you cut out the center cross right here and right here and right here to get his eyeglasses, his sunglasses. We got Snoopy done, and now we're going to work on the next part, which is the motor mount right here. The rubber bushing right there, it's on the motor, okay? It's a clear rubber bushing. See it right there? So it is on the motor. Push the motor into the mount, and then you put the clips on, just like in the picture, okay? I would recommend putting the clip on first, and then the wire underneath, okay? Because you can't slip it through the hole like they're suggesting. The red goes in the back like that, right there. Put the clip on, clip it onto the plastic, and then put the wire underneath, connect it. Your motor is clipped on to these little clips right here. See these clips right here? Onto the motor. Okay, you see this cog? It's got to go in fat side on this side, skinny side on this side. Make sure your wire clip does not hit the cog right there. Okay, see it? So you got to fool around with that wire clip so that can turn freely right there. This is the worm gear. You have to cut it right there at the spew. Do not cut it here or here. Cut it at the spew right there. Looks like this, see? It'll all fall into place right there. See this worm gear right here we just snapped in? Goes on this side, and see how it goes? It interacts with that middle gear. It's got to snap in on the bottom. See right there? It's got to snap in the V notch. Okay, so it snaps in. Be very careful with all these gears and all these parts when you work with them, with pressure wise. Just take your time and you'll get it. Oh, Snoopy's done, but the motor's not working. Okay, so he'll go back and forth like this, like that, tilt like that. Here's the extra parts. They just don't fit in smoothly, and they don't turn. The cogs don't turn when you try to turn the motor on. I think I left that just to make the model. I would say, guys, if you buy this model, just put it together, forget the motor, and enjoy it in that way. I'm just going to put it on display that way. So thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't show you it in action, but that's what happens in modeling sometimes with these mechanical ones. I have another one. I have the racer one, the car racer with Snoopy. I don't know how that'll turn out, but we'll see in the next video. That'll be probably the Snoopy racer. So thanks for watching, and we'll stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.